Welcome back to Dojo's Kitchen. Sunday morning breakfast. French toast, chicken sausage, bacon, the works. Let's get it started. We're out here with Blackstone Betty. Stay tuned. Welcome back. So we got our Blackstone on medium heat. We're gonna get our oil down. I'm using avocado oil because it has a high burn temp, but you can use whatever you like, vegetable, canola, it doesn't matter. Get our spatula, spread that out, and then we're gonna get our bacon straight onto the black top. Ooh, listen to that sizzle. Who doesn't love bacon on a Sunday morning? Just listen to that. He's talking. She is talking. All right, bacon's down. Betty's talking. You can hear the bacon going. We're gonna butterfly our chicken sausage. Why do we butterfly it? Because it cooks faster. Now this is pineapple bacon chicken sausage, but of course you can use your breakfast sausage of choice. All right, so we butterflied our chicken sausage, and we're gonna get that right next to the bacon. Butterfly down. Ooh, Betty was talking, now she's screaming. She's saying, yum, yum, yum. Come eat. The beauty of a Blackstone is you can make a lot of food for a lot of people real quick. Just look at that bacon. It's only been on there for 2 minutes, not even. Start off with our meat first because it takes the longest. French toast is fast. Scrambled eggs is even faster. Stay tuned. Bacon's going, chicken sausage is going. We're getting started with our French toast. We're gonna crack a couple of eggs and get it ready. Guys, time to flip the bacon. We don't want to burn it. That's the way I like it, crispy. Keep it moving. If you like your bacon a little underdone, you just flip it earlier. I do not. Chicken sausage cooks really quick. Smells amazing. Wish you guys were here. We're back. We're getting our French toast down. I used avocado oil earlier on the grill, but now we want to use butter because butter does what? Make it taste better. Fat is flavor, butter is flavor. All right, we got our egg mixture here. Chocolate chip brioche.
What is that?
Chocolate chip brioche. Listen.
Where'd you get that from?
That is an Aldi special, but don't tell anybody, all right? We don't want people to know all the secrets.
So we want to make like they believe that we made this bread.
Yeah. I woke up super.
You can see the eye. Look at his eyes. He looks tired. Making brioche bread.
This bread from scratch, all right? I raised the chickens.
Oh, the chickens. Look, wait, those ain't chickens. Those are definitely not chickens, guys.
I've done early. Just for you guys. Just for you.
And the chocolate you made it yourself, like the cacao and all that?
Climbed the tree, dried them. Started yesterday.
Oh, what's next?
Guys, we're taking this bacon off. Look at this. Look at this. This is not even 5 minutes. Some of it's a little overdone, but that's how my son likes it, so that's okay.
Yeah, we got to remember that, the temperature is right over here. You can change the temperature anytime you want to your liking. We like them crispy.
Chicken sausage is coming off. Listen, the chicken sausage I'm looking forward to. These are one of my favorite chicken sausages. Pineapple and bacon flavored.
Where you get them from?
Can't go wrong. Thank you, BJ. Thank you, BJ.
BJ, hey, boy. Not that, BJ.
Guys, sorry. We flipped the French toast. Just take a look at that. Just take a look at that. Now, you would think, right? Hey, chocolate chips, sugar. They're not gonna burn. No. Blackstone Betty takes care of everything. Look at that.
So you can do this breakfast in how long?
We haven't been out here for not even 15 minutes
It's
yet.
cold out here though.
It is
But
cold.
we're not hurting.
Not even 15 minutes yet. But you're gonna feed 6, 7 people in those 15 minutes. Right,
Hear that? Squeak.
You don't gotta cold press it. So we have more butter here. for the next round of French toast. I'm keeping the French toast on the right side because we already have the char from the bacon and chicken over here, so it's easier to keep it on one side. We're getting to our omelets. French toast, bacon, chicken sausage is done. We're gonna dice a cleaned onion already. We'll start off with half and see how much we need.
What are you doing now? What's that technique?
So if you want to get nice little cubes, this is the way to go. You've seen 100 people do it. You've now seen 101.
That's pretty easy.
Watch your fingers. Sharp knife is what you need.
The onions make you want to cry?
Not red onions, yellow onions, but a sharp knife is what prevents that from happening.
When you don't see me long enough, do you want to cry?
Always. Butter on the pan.
How much butter?
The right amount.
Yep. Ain't no help here.
The right
Who needs a doctor? When you got Dr. Blackstone.
We're gonna spread that out. Look at that. Yum, 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 yum.
You're an artist, bro.
So what I have here are frozen peppers. I like to buy fresh peppers, dice them, freeze them, cheaper, and they last.
Ooh, she's singing.
They just last a lot longer. We're gonna finish them because those are our veggies for the day.
Yeah, cause we got chocolate
are
chips,
veggies for the day.
we got eggs, we got French toast, we got sausage and bacon. We might as well put a little veggies.
Take our onions, add it to the peppers. And then we're just gonna put that down a little bit. We'll be right back.
How long?
2-3 minutes.
All right, we'll be right back.
Guys,
Say it
I'm
again.
sure you've heard this
Say it
before,
again.
but guys, I'm sure you've heard this before, but you must season your vegetables. Why? Why do you season your vegetables and not the entire omelet?
What did you use for this vegetable? For the
So we
seasoning?
added some salt.
What kind of salt?
We have pink Himalayan salt, but you can use whatever you have. Black pepper,
Black pepper,
garlic.
garlic powder.
We're gonna stop there. Why is it important that we season our vegetables? Because seasoning, especially salt, brings out the natural juices, the natural sugars in vegetables, and makes them taste better. Guys, I want to introduce you to our special guest today, my son Aiden. We're gonna have him open up this beautiful can of fried apples. We're gonna get them
Let me
on
see
there
that again.
and
What is it?
warmed up so that we can add it to the French toast.
Fried apples. And they're not focusing on the fried apples. Why? There you go. Fried apples.
Time to get those eggs on, right over the vegetables. Bring it back in. Where you guys going? Get back in there.
That's not your ball.
All right.
Now I can't wait. Let's go.
Aiden is going to drop the fried apples on this side right here. Slowly, carefully.
Get ready to make this cinematic? Make it slow motion?
Oh, that smells so good.
Drop it all. There we go.
Okay, thank you for watching us cook for you here at Dojo Family Eats.
It's time to go inside and eat, because I'm hungry.